Do you ever wonder if you're being too soft on your kids? This is something I constantly think about. For me, it's a hard balance to strike between being supportive and doing too much or shielding them to the point where it's a disservice.
Where are you going?
I was just coming here to meet with you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you down there.
See you down there.
I want them to know that when they face difficulties, I'll be there to support them.
Wow, Zozo, good climbing. I see you climbing there.
I'm trying to come to you.
Trying to go down?
Yeah, I'm trying to come to you.
Okay.
Hi.
Bye.
I want them to be secure in that when they face any difficulties, I'll be the first one there to support them. And I also want them to know that one day I'm not going to be here anymore, so they'll need to know how to bounce back on their own. Sometimes it's hard to watch them struggle or fail, especially when, I can see it coming, but by shielding them from this pain or struggle, I'm actually getting in the way of their building resilience, and that's not something I want to be doing.
See how the light is making shadows on here?
Shadow King.
Yeah,
Shadows.
Even if I tried as hard as I could, and no matter how much I think I can control a situation or control what they're doing, whether I like it or not, one day they will leave the house, and either way, they're going to experience pain. So isn't it better to kind of feel the short-term sting now while they're under my watch and help them develop these resiliency muscles than to shield them to the point where they don't really know how to recover?
Oh yeah, look. There's the marbles right there and basketballs. It's all about height and how tall you can be.
I want to develop a relationship with them where there's a healthy balance of support and challenging, and where they feel like they can come to me for support anytime, which doesn't mean I'm going to be doing things for them or making their lives easier. In fact, I might make it harder in the short term, but I will be there to get them, help them get through the difficulty.
That's where you cook it?
The bottom line is I want them to know what it's like to have a decision, to make the decisions, weigh the pros and cons and take action, and then just be at peace with the consequences of their actions, whether positive or negative.
Let's go to a package room.
Okay.
I think this example is a beautiful example of the paradox of parenting, that we're here to teach our kids basically how to not need us anymore. And every situation is a chance to do something for them and get that short-term satisfaction that feels so good in the moment but not serving them long-term. And it's a chance to help develop themselves so that one day they can stand firmly on their own.